Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Halo Infinite Co-op campaign split screen. First, make sure your game is completely up to date. This ensures you have access to all the latest features and bug fixes for a smooth experience. Next, connect a second controller to your console. Halo Infinite supports local split screen for 2 players, so one additional controller is all you need to get started with a friend right beside you. Once you're in the main menu, select the campaign option. From there, you can either load an existing save file or start a brand new campaign. If you're loading a game, make sure it's a save that supports co-op. Crucially, the second player must be signed into a valid Xbox profile on your console before joining. This step is essential for their progress to be saved correctly. With the campaign loaded, the second player simply needs to press the menu button on their connected controller. This action will prompt them to join the active game session. You'll then see both Spartans appear on screen, confirming that split-screen co-op is successfully enabled. The game automatically adjusts the display to accommodate 2 players, providing a shared experience on one screen. Now that you're both in the game, you can explore the vast open world of Zeta Halo side by side. Work together to complete main story missions, tackle side objectives, and defeat banished forces. The co-op experience allows for seamless teamwork, making challenging encounters more manageable and enjoyable. Remember, communication is key to conquering the threats of the Ring world as a united front.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.